Our Hiligaynon word for the day is paambit. Paambit. Paambit in English means to let share with, give a share or part to, make or let participate in or partake of. Paambit. Let us have the following example sentences. Paambiton ko siya sinang mga paho. So I will let him or her have some of those mangoes. Siya is he or she, so it's gender neutral. Sina is of that or of those. And then a paho is a mango, so mga is added to make it plural. So mga paho refers to, it means mangoes in English. So paambiton ko siya sinang mga paho. Ipaambit ko sa iya ining humay. I am going to give him or her part of this rice. Ini is this. And then humay is rice. Ipaambit ko sa iya ining humay. Paambita ako sang maayo mo nga kapalaran. Let me share in your good fortune. Maayo is good, kapalaran is fortune or destiny in a way. So paambita ako sang maayo mo nga kapalaran. Ginpaambit niya sa akon ang iya kalipay. So he or she let me share in his or her joy, or his or her shared, he or she shared his or her joy with me. So ginpaambit niya sa akon ang iya kalipay. So kalipay is happiness, niya is his or her, and then akon is like to me. So ginpaambit niya sa akon ang iya kalipay. And that is all about for our Hiligaynon word for the day, which is paambit. If you learned something new, please don't forget to click like, subscribe as well for more videos like this. Madamo gid nga salamat and see you in the next one. Bye!